Welcome to the world of e-commerce excellence with Shopify. In today's rapidly evolving online market, choosing the right platform can make or break your business. That's why we're here to talk about why Shopify stands out as the ultimate solution for e-commerce startups and businesses. First up, Shopify's user-friendly interface. Designed with non-tech-savvy users in mind, it allows anyone to build and manage an online store with ease. From the intuitive drag-and-drop features for designing your store to the straightforward process of adding products, Shopify makes it a breeze to get started. Plus, with comprehensive support including a knowledge base, community forums, and 24/7 customer support, help is always at your fingertips. Setting up a store on Shopify is a stress-free experience. The platform guides you through every step, from creating an account to launching your store. With clear instructions and helpful tips, you can customize your store's design, set up payment and shipping options, and start selling in no time. Plus, Shopify offers a free trial period, so you can explore its features without any financial commitment. Shopify offers a wide range of customizable themes, ensuring your store looks professional and appealing on all devices. Whether you're looking for a minimalist design or a vibrant storefront, you'll find a theme that suits your brand. And for those with coding knowledge, Shopify allows further customization through HTML and CSS, enabling you to create a unique storefront. The Shopify App Store is a treasure trove of tools and features to enhance your store's functionality. From marketing and SEO tools to inventory management and customer service apps, you can customize your store to meet your specific business needs. This flexibility ensures that your store can adapt to changing business requirements and market trends. Whether you're a startup or a large enterprise, Shopify scales with your business. Start with a basic plan and upgrade as your business grows to access advanced functionalities like professional reports, advanced shipping options, and lower transaction fees. Shopify's robust infrastructure handles increased traffic and sales volume, ensuring your store remains fast and responsive during high-traffic periods. Shopify takes security seriously, employing industry-leading measures to protect customer data. With robust SSL certificates, secure payment processing, and regular security audits, Shopify ensures your store and customer data are safe. Plus, with 99.98% uptime and reliable hosting, your store is always up and running with minimal interruptions. Visibility is key to online success. Shopify's SEO-friendly features boost your store's rankings in search engine results, while integrations with social media and email marketing tools help you promote your products and engage with customers efficiently. Built-in tools for discounts, promotions, and abandoned cart recovery further enhance your marketing efforts. Shopify offers 24/7 customer support via chat, email, and phone, ensuring you get the help you need whenever you need it. Additionally, you have access to a vast library of tutorials, guides, and community forums to help you succeed. For more complex needs, Shopify's network of experts can provide professional assistance tailored to your business. With more consumers shopping on mobile devices, having a mobile-friendly store is essential. Shopify's themes are fully responsive, ensuring your store looks great and functions seamlessly on all devices. The mobile-friendly checkout process makes it easy for customers to complete their purchases on the go. And with the Shopify mobile app, you can manage your store from anywhere. Understanding your store's performance is crucial for making informed business decisions. Shopify provides detailed reports on sales, traffic, and customer behavior, giving you valuable insights into your store's performance. Integration with Google Analytics offers even more detailed data, helping you optimize your marketing efforts and make data-driven decisions. Shopify offers a comprehensive suite of features to help you build, manage, and grow a successful online store. Its user-friendly interface, extensive customization options, robust security measures, and powerful marketing tools make it the ultimate solution for e-commerce excellence. By harnessing Shopify's unique advantages, you can establish a professional, scalable, and secure online store tailored to meet the needs of today's shoppers. Whether you're just starting or looking to take your business to the next level, Shopify is the platform that can support your growth and help you achieve your e-commerce goals. Ready to elevate your e-commerce business? Start your journey with Shopify today.
Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates.